Hi. Today I watched the movie Kung Fu Panda, and there is so much to learn from this movie. Kung Fu Panda teaches us to live in the now instead of dealing with what's right here, right now. We live in the illusory future where we imagine things go wrong. This leads to stress and anxiety. The movie teaches us that there is nothing quite as important as appreciating every sight, sound, and object that we experience in the here and now. So, it is key to our happiness. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery, and today is a gift. Everything starts with a dream. Kung Fu Panda opens with an amazing dream sequence involving our hero Po slaying villains and saving the world. Naturally, it's just a dream, but because he is already envisioned success, our hero is taking the first step towards being a success. Just by dreaming about something, he is already winning. So, if you can dream it, you can achieve it. Now the thing we learn that believe in yourself. This is very important. If you are looking forward to succeeding towards the road of success, you will find many people who will try and pull you down, but you need to ignore that and believe in yourself. Po, our hero, the panda, also did not feel that he could be the dragon warrior. But later on, when he believed in himself and by the help of his master Shifu, he did wonders in fighting the evil characters. Similar is the case with us. One needs to have full faith in their capabilities and talent. So, trust me, keep owning your skills, it will take you to the places. And now if one point is also we can learn from the movie that everyone has their unique form of motivation. So when he got to the temple, Po was very slow, and his punches were so weak, but when he got to the room with all the sweet stuff, something amazing happened. He was more likely to fight for something he liked, like cookies, and then for anything else. He smacked a lot of the drawer in order to get some candy. It's the time with you. Once you manage to find what you drive, you have found the key to his success. Everything happens for a reason. There are no accident, as Master Ugwe says in the movie. There are no accident is true in the sense that one can learn from everything. Every situation contains a potential for growth and evolution. Little as grand and cheering as depressing. Every organism is an constant state of grow into an unknown goal. For no one can predict the future, but only assume and gamble. Accidents are unfortunate, but even our fortune can be converted into future with a flick of a thought. Teamwork. The entire team with Po, Master Tigris, Master Viper, Master Monkey, Master Mantis, and Master Crane, all of them had a role to play, and together, when they fought against the enemy, they helped each other. They overcome the shortfalls of the other. So same thing apply in organization. Any organization progress because of its people. Because each of them is equipped with one things or the other. And they cover for each other and function as a team to achieve the goal. So if Po can be the dragon warrior So you can definitely be the Mr. or Mrs. whoever you wants to be, and real warrior never leave the field. Thank you.